Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back here with another how-to video. What I got here today is a AC problem, your central air conditioner. Let's say it was working fine before, but all of a sudden it just shuts off. It doesn't turn on anymore. And when I say it doesn't turn on anymore, I mean everything in your AC unit doesn't turn on. In your AC unit you got two fans. You got the blower and then you got the regular fan that spins. So if none of that thing is working, you're gonna want to check your breaker. If the breaker is fine, then you check your fuses, which is usually on top of the AC unit, depending on the year and model. But this one is up here. You will need a tester to check these fuses. If you don't have a tester, I'm pretty sure some of your friend or family member might have one. But you would check your fuses, and you also check those cables right there that I'm showing. From end to end, from like, let's say from the bottom of the box there's a cable opening that goes into it, and then at the top of the box there was another cable you saw. But anyways, once you get your tester, you put it on the continuity test, which shows right here, and you put this, you hear the beeping sound. That's continuity. That means that there is a connection between one end to the other. So you test the fuses, both cylinders. You put one end of like the black one, let's say, you put it on one end and the red one on the other. It doesn't matter, as long as it beeps, that means that that fuse is good, it's okay. Now then you go ahead and test the other fuse, because without both fuses working, the AC unit will not work. So you gotta make sure both of them are working, and then once you figure out that it is that is a problem, then you just go ahead and buy the amperage that it is for that fuse. To take them out, you can just slip them out, push from one end, and then push them towards the middle. One side, push it towards the middle, and then you should be able to take them out. It's kind of hard. This thing is kind of old. My AC unit is kind of old, but I actually love this one. I purchased another one for the same house, because this house has two AC units, but the other one, it's doing the same exact thing as my old one, which I got replaced for the same reason. I'm not gonna get into much detail of that unless you guys request for it. What happened with that one, it will make a hissing sound every time when it was on for a while, or if it was overheating. That means that compressor was shutting off. But if you guys want to hear more about that, make sure to leave a comment below so I can give you more hints on how to fix it and what might be the problem with that issue. Anyways, right here you are looking for your amperage, what type of amperage your fuse is. It'll tell you right on top right there, 60 or 50 amps. Is it 60? I can't really see. Anyways, I got a 40 by mistake. I'm still gonna use it. It'll still do fine. If it burns out, then I'll just replace it then. But for the sake of this video, I'm just using these ones just for now, and I'm pretty sure they'll last for a while. But pretty simple stuff. Make sure you check, like I said, check your breaker first. If the breaker it's on the off position, then that'll fix your problem. But if the breaker is on the on position and it's still not turning on, then most likely you want to come up here and onto your roof and check. And please be careful. This is something dangerous. You want to have your, let's say the breaker was on the on position, and you're gonna go up and check it. Make sure you turn it off, unless you're gonna check the other lines, the primary lines that go into the fuses as well, because that could actually be another issue as well. Sometimes it could actually be the breaker itself that's bad. So you know, there are different situations, but this is my experience. This is my problem that I had. I had it off for about a year because I wasn't using it, but then as soon as I tried to turn it back on, it wouldn't turn on back on. So I just came back up here and play with it myself and figure out what the issue was. So I'm just sharing my experience. Hopefully this will help you guys out. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.